up, guys? Today I'm doing my top 10 favorite squishies. So check out my giveaway information video for giveaway information. Follow me on Musical.ly down below. And like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below whatever you want if I didn't already say that. So these are no order, and by the way, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. And let's just get started. So the first one I have is this Marshmallow Man by Kawaii Squeezies. Next one I have is the Smooshy Mooshy Roadie Toast. Roadie Toast, where did that come from? The Smooshy Mooshy, what is his name? He's a dog, but I don't know what his name is. Greenbrier International Ink Pineapple. The Squeezables Burger. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, and last but not least, 10. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and tomorrow's video, like all of those videos. But yeah, peace as always.